How to log in to existing ProRealTime account using your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can access your ProRealTime account using your mobile device. First of all, launch open the ProRealTime app on your smartphone, and once you do that, you'll come across this login page. To log into your existing account, go to the Login tab and type in your email associated with ProRealTime account. After you do that, head over to the password box and type in your password associated with the account. If you don't remember your password, you can tap the Forgot Your Password link underneath the password box and follow the reset instructions. If you've previously signed in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, you can choose one of them from the bottom menu, which will help you sign into your account easier. After typing down your credential, tap Login, and you have successfully accessed your account back again. All you need is to know your credentials and you'll be good to go. You'll land in your main dashboard. From here, you can monitor markets, view charts, manage your trades, and customize your workspace. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.